Okay. Hello, it's me, Dr. Farhan Fuad. I am from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I just came the Dental Home Academy for the course, hands-on course, and after coming the Dental Home Academy, I'm really very happy and satisfied for their courses and hands-on courses, and especially I would like to thanks Dr. Aman Bharma, Dr. Manisha, and Dr. Kunal sir, who is the reason for making me more advanced, or give they are the reason for giving me more advanced technique, or I'm very happy about that. And I'd like to say everyone, please come and visit the Dental Home Academy, and you guys can learn many more things after coming this academy. And in Bengali, I would like to say something. আপনারা অবশ্যই আসবেন, এসে দ্য ডেন্টাল হোম একাডেমিতে কোর্স করবেন, এবং কোর্স করার পর অবশ্যই অনেক উপকৃত হবেন। ধন্যবাদ। ইনশাল্লাহ আমি আবার আসবো, এবং সবাইকে অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।